The Heart of the Soul by Gary. Gary urges people to focus not on external power but on authentic power and to seek to align their personalities with their soul. You are a soul that is temporarily utilizing your body. This book explains the need to pay attention to our emotions, including the negative emotions. We would rather avoiding it. Billions of humans live in poverty, are hungry, and suffer oppression, humiliation. Changing these circumstances requires our heart. We are learning how to look inside ourselves to find the roots of our insecurities and to pull them. It is not skill, talent, homes, or cars that produce destructive consequences. It is the intention to use them to manipulate and control others in order to make yourself feel valuable and loved. It is the intention of the human species to see itself as superior to all else by creating them. We need to create means of cooperation rather than of competition. The creation of authentic power confronts you with the most unhealthy parts of yourself, the parts that blame, criticize, judge, resent, envy, and hate others. Authentic power is the human experience without the limitation of fear and self-doubt. Creating authentic power is a proactive lifetime endeavor that requires your intention and effort. Energy continually flows into the top of your head, moves downward through your torso, and then return to wherever it came from. Energy is processed at different locations and in different ways, different emotions result. Once you understand your emotion in this way, you can use them to see how your energy system is functioning. You can look at your emotion such as guilt, sadness, fear, and anger at the result of different ways that energy is being processed in your energy system. You cannot grow spiritually without learning how to detach from your emotions and understand them as products of the way energy is processed in your energy system. Your emotions, whether anger or happiness or any other, don't depend upon what is happening outside of your, but how your energy system is processing energy. Your emotions come from your energy system, not your interaction with people or things. Your emotions are the best of friends. They don't leave you. They continually bring to your attention what you need to know. Even if you are not aware of your emotions, they are always being produced. There are two types of classes in the Earth School: classes about fear and classes about love. Anger, sadness, and greed are classes about fear. Joy and gratitude are classes about love. Instead of trying to change circumstances or people, examine the emotions you are experiencing. Looking inward instead of focusing on outward circumstances is an important step in the process of spiritual development. Your task as a student in the Earth School is not to change your parents, boss, employees, or classmates. It is to change yourself. Fear and doubt produce painful emotions such as anger, grief. When energy leaves the center in fear and doubt, the result is always painful. Love and trust produce positive emotions such as gratitude, contentment, and joy. Positive emotions are always produced when energy leaves the center in love and trust. When you judge others, you forget who you are, what your goals and desires are, and most important, what you are feeling. When you find yourself judging, stop, scan your energy system. When you resist a circumstances in your life, it takes energy and that produces stress. The amount of stress in your life is determined by how much energy you spend resisting your life. Resisting the circumstances of your life is the same as staying to a river. You should not be flowing here, you should be flowing over there. Once you accept your life, greet it without resistance, you can determine what you need to change in order to create the circumstances and experiences that you desire. Say to yourself, I am the only one who can create happiness in my life. The source of my happiness is within me. Your painful emotions tell you what needs to be changed in you, not in other people. The pursuit of external power is always an attempt to avoid pain. Creating authentic power is using your will to change your life, not the lives of others. When the outcome is more important to you than the activity, you are in a power struggle. The more intense the pain of fear and feeling of unlovable becomes, the more obsessive becomes the need to have a sexual interaction. The experience of addictive sexual attraction is a flag that signals a craving for meaning, purpose, and value. Regarding food, say to yourself, my craving for food will never fill me. I open myself to the possibility that my true nourishment comes from the universe and that nourishment is endless. Feeling your emotions with the intention to learn from them and the knowledge that your emotions are gift from the universe. The more frightened you are, the more entitled you feel yourself to be.